If you don't like awkward stomach noises but still skip breakfast, here's the science, quick and weird. Inside you, it's not chaos, it's coordination. Your stomach isn't yelling for food, it's hard at work. When your stomach's empty, your brain tells gut muscles to squeeze, contract, release, repeat. It's a scheduled cleanup. This pattern's called the migrating motor complex. Basically, your gut's cleaning crew. It sweeps leftovers, bits of food you didn't absorb, and air you swallowed. All of it gets pushed along. As air moves through tight turns, and fluids slosh with each contraction, you hear that rumble, scientifically called borborygmi. Totally normal. It's not just a hunger alarm. So when it growls in public, no panic. It's routine maintenance. Think of it as your body's natural remix. Follow for more quick science.